I said it, the salvation of your soul is the most important thing in this life, in the life to come. Let's go to Romans. Let's go to Romans 3. Let's see what it says. Let's see. Let's go to Romans 3. You know, okay, it says here, Romans 3:23, for all have sinned and come short of the glory of God. Right? God, not me. God. God is saying in this verse, all have sinned and come short of the glory of God. All means all, and that includes you. I told you, you will find out this is the most important message you will ever hear in your entire life. If you get this, you get life. Let's go to the next.